are you? Fine. Okay. Have you remembered what I taught the lesson previous day? Okay. Where I stopped, do you know? Yes, very good. I think you read lesson fully. Okay. So, when Kamala and Gopi were talking with each other, what mummy is saying? Why you are mumbling? Why don't you speak loudly? That means mumbling means speaking in very low voice. Speaking very low voice. Why you are talking like that? Like that, mummy asking Kamala and Gopi. So what is the next one? What? I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Again, mummy asking the same question. I heard somebody coming. Who is in that car? Like that, mummy again. She asked the same question. I told you, it's Gopi, mummy. Already I told you, no, it's Gopi. So here, what you have to think, mummy forgotten totally. But she remembered Gopi was her son. But when he was standing here, she forgotten totally. Kamala saying, mummy, it's Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi. Isn't he? Again, see, she remembered Gopi. Who was Gopi? I think Gopi was in Delhi, no? Isn't he? Then what the answer? Yes, Amma, kiss me. What a poor Gopi. Yes, Amma, it's Gopi. I'm here. Like that, Gopi saying, I have come from Delhi. I have come from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what's his wife's name? Again, what mummy is saying about his marriage. Who did Gopi marry? Who was the wife of the married? Like that, she was asking the question to Kamala. But Gopi also there only. Don't you say you have forgotten her name too? Here, why Kamala said like that means she consoled mummy. Mummy, don't you know? Or do you forgotten Gopi's wife name also? Like that, when she was saying, don't you remember? Don't you remember? Gopi's wife was the daughter of district collector Nambiya's eldest sister. Like that, Gopi's sister given the answer to mummy. What a terrible situation. Own son standing before her. Again and again she was asking same question. Oh, when she said, as if she remembered what he was saying, she was saying, oh, I forgot the name. I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? Again, was there a letter from Gopi today? What the answer? She was telling the lies. Kamala was saying lies. There was, he writes every day. Mummy, there was a letter. Every day he used to write a letter. Like that, she was consoling mummy. Then, I'm terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. My son knows if I won't get any letter from him, my son knows. See, he knows it. That's why he writes every day. What a great love. No, ma? Here, mummy is showing love towards son. Yes, my son knows. Otherwise, I'll ask him, no. That's what he writes letter every day. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him just as I told you. You know nothing about what's going on here, do you? Brother, alright, told you, no. This is the mummy's situation. Oh, many times she was asking, see, let you see what is the condition of the mummy. Again and again she was asking the same question. She forgotten everything. Who is that? Again. Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? Who is that in a car? Who came in the car? Somebody coming. Who is that? Like that from the beginning she asked the same question. It's me. Again Gopi saying, it's me. Gopi said, I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. I came for duty. Thiruvananthapuram I came. I wanted to see you, that's what I dropped here. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? No, it is quite near. What is the Gopi answering? Yes, mummy, it's not far. It is very near. Mummy only. But again, yes, mummy, it is very near only. That's why? Because he stood before the mummy. It is not the far. It is the near only. I don't know how I can bring back her memory. Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Exasperatedly means very annoyed. Very annoyed means she was suffering with the mummy. Why my mummy got like this? Why my mummy talking like this way? That is the pain. That is the pain. Gopi placed his briefcase on the tinna. He opened it and pulled out the contents. The contents means which were in the briefcase. What are the things are there? Number one, clothes, files, a shaving set. These are the three things kept in the briefcase. He opened the briefcase and kept it on the tinna and opening and taking out all the things. Then very next minute, what mummy asking? Do you know my son Gopi? Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. He is in Delhi, a government officer. He was Kesari Yogam. He was Kesari Yogam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? Directly she was asking, do you know Gopi? My son Gopi is a government officer. Now he is in Kesari Yogam. Kesari Yogam means well settled one. Wealthiest person. Mummy is saying a greatness of the son. Then he draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? When Gopi said, I came from Delhi, Mummy thought he was not his son. She thought my son also working in the Delhi. Do you know? Then what the Gopi saying? Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the mornings. If I catch cold, it does not leave me for a long time. Tell him to send a blanket. Won't you? A red one. I had a blanket, the one he bought for me when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered one. Just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? My dear Gopi, you tell him when you go there, you tell him to send a blanket which he bought when he was studying in the Madras. He bought it, but that blanket was a torn one. Torn one, tattered means torn one. Really, I am unable to bear with the mist. So I am an old one, no? You tell him to send a red blanket. Like that, Mummy asking. Mummy not asking anything. Mummy asking only blanket. Why? Because when he was studying in Madras, he gave one blanket. Maybe here also we have to see Mummy's love. What the Gopi sent, he kept like that only. She was wearing, but that was the torn one. So Mummy asked him to send another one. I tell him, he nodded. Nodded means moving the head. Nodded. Moving head. Moving head. That means saying yes. Nodding like this, as I'll tell him. Please don't forget to tell him the mist is not good for me. I think I will stretch myself out for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to the veranda. For a long time, she sat in the armchair. So, I am suffering a lot. My neck also giving the pain. When she said like that, Kamala took her and kept on the bed. Then again she came out. Now this is the conversation between the Kamala and Gopi. What was the conversation? Gopi's sister, you didn't come to see Amma, did you? Actually, you did come to see Amma. You came. Another thought. What is that one? Like that, Kamala asking. Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. It will be a great help if I can raise some money. Yes, I am working in Delhi. My salary is too low. That too, Delhi life is a very expensive one. I have 4 children. I am unable to maintain my family with my salary. That's what I want to raise my money. How? Why he came? Maybe you can understand. Okay, ma. Listen. I want to raise my money. Why? To look after my family. How? By selling my share of the family property. What a great man. I came not to see Amma. I came here to raise my money by selling family property. As soon as Gopi said that one, what Kamala saying? You will sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. So, for this you came. Otherwise, you won't come and see Amma. So, you want to sell your property. You want to sell property. You want to go along with the money. You don't want Amma. Then, don't say that. I come when I get time. Don't say like that. When I get the opportunity, when I get the chance, when I get the time, I come. But for a long gap, he didn't come and see Amma. Now, that is the opportunity to sell the property, he came. Whenever Kamala said that one, don't say like that. I will come whenever I get the time to see Amma. He saw the irritation on his face, sister's face. Irritation means make angry. Kamala getting angry by listening the words of the Gopi. Irritation. Gopi also observed face of the Kamala. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. So after 5 years, you came here. Amma is 83 now. Amma is 83 now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. I don't think when you come and see Mummy, maybe. Like that, Kamala saying, it took you so long to visit her after the last time. Maybe this is the last time. Again, when you come, Mummy not going to find here. Already, she was in the 83 years. After 5 years, you came. No letters, nothing was there. Now you came to see Amma. But Amma can't remember who I am. He said, smiling feebly. Feebly means weakly. Why he was smiling? Why he was not laughing? Gopi also getting the pain in the heart. What, Amma? You gave me birth, but I didn't look after you. Again and again you are asking, you are remembering? Gopi, Gopi, Gopi. When I was standing also, you didn't identify. What a terrible man, what a fool I am. Maybe he was cursing himself then, but Mummy can't remember me. He said, smiling feebly. Feebly means very weak. There was no laugh. Simply, he was laughing feebly, very weakly. Then, but do you remember your Amma? Okay, Amma, I didn't remember you. So, next one, you remember Amma? If you remember Amma, now and then you write a letter. You will ask what is the welfare of the Amma, but no letters, nothing was there. Now you want money, that's what you came. How can Amma remember? You didn't remember. Simultaneously, Amma also didn't remember. Amma remembered you. But at the age of fact, she forgotten everything. Now Amma is in 83 years old. Okay, ma? Have you understood, ma? So, my dear children, whoever may be, we have to look after parents. Parents are expecting you something. Something means not money, nothing is there. Only love from you. But is there a love? Have you seen the love from the Gopi ma? Where is the love? No love is there. But mummy remembered. Mummy saying, my son bought me a blanket when he was studying. See how nicely she remembered. Now you don't tell him, send red blanket. That is useful to the mother. So what she has, only blanket. So our parents also will ask you like that. But don't say anything, don't irritate mummy's word. You have to obey the parent. That is the blessing. Okay, ma? But here, has he got the blessing from mummy? No. Indirectly, mummy is remembering, mummy is blessing. But he didn't get anything. He didn't show the love towards mummy. Then have you understood lesson? Okay, I will read the lesson. I will read the meanings now. Mumbling means speaking very low. Feebly means weakly. Irritation make angry. Often meaning frequently, much of the time. Gopi often go to the tour. That is why he got the promotion. So he used to go to the tour and some places to look after the office work. Then what is the opposite of the often means? Seldom. Seldom means not often, rarely, now and then. So now Gopi came often, seldom. After 5 years, he came to see Amma. Then nodded. Nodded means moving the head like this. Yes, mummy. Yes, Amma. Like that. So, in this lesson, what you understood? Is there a love between the Gopi, Kamala and Amma? No. What is the conversation between the Amma and Kamala before Gopi come? Have you understood? Can you write conversation between the Amma and then Kamala? Okay. So after Kamala keeping the mummy on the bed, what is the conversation between the Kamala and Gopi? Have you remembered what are the? So you can write in your own words. So conversation means what we understood, what they are talking, we have to write down. Okay, ma? Can you write? Okay, have you understood? So afterwards, what I wanted to say, then next tomorrow, Wednesday, I want to take the grammar part. Now what you will do, no? You have to write the meanings. Then what are the hard words and meanings. Directly you write in the class works. Okay, ma? So what are they? You have to read and write the meaning. Then before writing the meaning, you have to write the author, about the author. You write the briefly, then write the meaning, then you write the what are the hard words. Okay? Which is the new to you? Which is the easiest one? No need to write. Which is the new to you? Which is the hard to you? You have to write. Okay, ma? Be careful. You take the lesson carefully. Once again you go through. So full lesson I completed, no? So you go through all the meanings, and while you are reading, you get the full theme in your mind. Okay? Have a nice day. Bye.